Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove two-factor authentication from your Facebook account. First thing we need to do is launch up Facebook and just make sure you're logged into the account that we want to remove the two-factor authentication from. I'm showing you this on a computer, but it's the same thing on a mobile. And all we need to do is click on our profile icon in the top right-hand side here, come over to Settings and Security, and then select Settings to bring up the main settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see this menu. We just need to click on Meta Accounts Center. Again, from the left-hand side, come down to Password and Security. Inside of two-factor authentication, select the account that you want to manage the two-factor authentication from, and then you'll simply need to re-enter your Facebook password. From this screen, you'll see all of the authentication methods that are currently activated on your account. For example, I'm using my Authentication app over here. So to disable this, we'd simply click on Authentication app here, and we're going to toggle this from on to off. As you can see, we'll get this confirmation message saying that we're now turning off the two-factor authentication. Simply click turn off, and then as you can see at the bottom, now authentication has turned off. And it's literally as simple as that, guys. That's how you disable two-factor authentication on your Facebook account. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.